What's up, guys? It is our official first video on the new bike. This is a 2021 Suzuki GSX R600. This is the 100th anniversary edition, and it is really good looking bike. I love the livery on this bike with the highlighter and the silver and blue, and just good looking bike. I bought this bike on Friday. Today is Monday, and we've already got mods in the mail. So today we're going to be putting on the M4 slip-on exhaust to replace that factory stock exhaust, which is god-awful hideous and large. Yeah, let's jump into it. So first thing we want to do is let's start the bike up, pull it out of the garage, and get some before revs so you guys can see and hear how it sounds stock. All right, here we go.
It's probably easier when you ride it.
Yeah. All right, we'll start it up. Let's see how it sounds. We got to let it idle for a little bit. Sounds pretty good. Right? Not good, but it's not loud at all. All right, so got a package in the mail the other day. Yesterday and today. And big one, as you can see, M4 slip-on exhaust system. And then we also got a tail tidy in. Yeah, tail tidy that will clean up the back of this a lot. But I'm not gonna put that on yet because I've got to get my registration done on the bike. And until I get that done, I don't want to eliminate that fender, because that's just asking for a cop to pull you over. I mean, no tag, no fender, no license, or well, no tag, no license plate, no fender. Just looks like a bike off the track, or like I'm hiding my license plate. So definitely don't want to draw that kind of attention to it. I'll tell you what, this 360 cam is so dope. I don't have to do anything. I can just leave the, like the camera's on a pole right now on the back of my bike. I can just leave it there, and I can walk anywhere I want and continue to film myself no matter where I'm at or what I'm doing, without having to like hold a camera and keep it all up in your face and whatnot. So tail tidy, I'll show you that real quick. Comes with the lights for the license plate, and then the plate mount itself. We'll put that on another video, but for now, M4 slip on. All right, let's get this. I think that's all that's in the box. Yep. Instructions. I think this is the best looking slip-on that I've seen for these bikes. And granted, I haven't seen them all, but the ones that I have seen, I don't really like the look where it just sticks way out the back fender of the bike. I like a more hidden, clean look like this right here. So this is literally just going to mount right here, just like that. Probably, there you go, like that right there. So it'll bolt on right here behind this connector and then stick out barely past this factory guard. And looks like it's got a silencer built into it. We'll have to take that out. It's got like a little C-clip there that holds it in. Once you pop that out, you can slide the baffle out. So yeah, let's go ahead and take that out right now. This little baffle right here was quite possibly the hardest thing I've ever done in my life. This retaining ring, man, did it fight me. All right, we got it out. Now we can start taking apart the OEM exhaust heat shield, get that all taken off, and start putting this on. All right, heat shield comes off with a 5mm Allen. Let's see, that's that bolt. Maybe that's it. Yep, 5mm Allen. And then it looks like, I don't know, maybe a 13mm for the clamp. 12mm. That'll pull the lower clamp off. Upper clamp is same thing. Gotta hold the back side here. Now on the M4 we're not going to need the upper clamp anymore because it does not go up that high. Alright, so we should be able to just slide it off now. There we go. That simple. Stock exhaust, gone. I'm going to keep, oh no, I don't need to keep that clamp. The M4 comes with a new one. Alright, now orientation of this I'll have to figure out. I'm not sure who that is in my driveway. Oh, it's Lee. What's up, buddy?
You already modified it.
Oh yeah. Putting the slip-on on. Slip-on on. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good.
That does make a big difference.
What's that?
That slip-on.
Yeah. I went too low. Yeah, it definitely changes the way it looks, but hopefully it'll change the way it sounds. I'll have it on in about 5 minutes. All right, a little bit.
Like you maybe hear it rev up.
Yeah, exactly. That stock, whatever it was.
You did that yesterday and I quit.
Oh, dang it. I gotta tighten my clamp. I can't get to my clamp now with the bolts there. I'm gonna take the shield back off. Tighten the clamp, then put the shield back on. Should sound good. These things have a factory servo in the exhaust though, so it closes like a muffler flap basically. So it closes in certain conditions. Hopefully idle is not one of those conditions. I got a fender eliminator too, and a power battery to USB adapter,
Yeah.
so I can charge my phone. That was a must.
I was watching something on YouTube and about this bike. And the guy goes,
Yours?
yeah, there's a USB port which is for your phone is hooked. And I went, girlfriend. And
He said it came with it?
came with it. And he was talking about it. And even in the video, he goes, I know, all y'all beefing on him just said bullcrap. Yeah, you did. Just admit it. And I'm sitting there going,
Yep.
yeah. You know, when you turn 14, you can start riding now.
Is that Alabama law?
Yep.
14 for motorcycles?
14 for motorcycles.
What? I'd never trust that kid on the road at 14 on a motorcycle.
How old are you now?
9.
5 more years.
I mean, granted, he'll be a different kid in 5 years, but still.
No, I don't know.
All right, you ready?
You think that, they're really not.
Don't hit it, Leaman. It's going to move. Leaman kicked it. All right, dude, you ready?
I hope this thing doesn't fall.
Hold on to Dad.